Hey car owners, welcome back to the channel. If you're like most car owners, you want to protect your investment and make sure your vehicle is in the best shape possible, but sometimes we make simple mistakes that can cost us big time. Today, I'm breaking down the top 10 car owner mistakes that could be damaging your car and your wallet. And most importantly, I'm giving you simple solutions to avoid them. These are mistakes everyone makes, but with a little extra attention, you can save money, extend your car's lifespan, and avoid costly repairs. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1. Ignoring regular oil changes. You've probably heard this before, but the engine oil is the lifeblood of your car. It keeps the engine components lubricated and prevents friction that could lead to engine wear, or even complete engine failure. If you let the oil get dirty or low, it can cause irreversible damage to your engine. How often should you change your oil? Well, it depends on your car, but most modern vehicles can go about 5,000 to 10,000 miles between oil changes. However, if you're using synthetic oil, you may be able to stretch that a little longer. Don't let your car suffer due to neglected oil changes. It's one of the most cost-effective maintenance tasks you can do for your car, and it will save you from needing expensive engine repairs in the future. Next up, tire pressure. Did you know that underinflated tires can not only affect fuel efficiency, but also cause uneven tire wear and damage suspension components? It's one of those things that's easy to forget, but it can be devastating to your wallet. Keeping your tires at the correct pressure can improve fuel efficiency by as much as 3%, which adds up over time. You should check your tire pressure at least once a month and before long trips. Don't forget to check tire pressure regularly and make sure it's set to the recommended level. Not only will this save you money on gas, but it will also help keep your tires in good shape for longer. Here's another huge mistake: overloading your car. You know those times when you throw everything in the trunk for a road trip, or maybe you just keep a lot of heavy gear in the back. It might seem harmless, but excessive weight puts strain on your suspension, brakes, and even your engine. Overloading can reduce braking performance, affect handling, and cause wear and tear on your vehicle's key components. It also lowers fuel efficiency and makes the car harder to drive safely. Be mindful of your car's load capacity and don't load it down with more weight than it can handle. It might feel like a small inconvenience, but you'll save on fuel and avoid unnecessary repairs down the line. Neglecting your brake pads can be a disaster waiting to happen. If you hear a squealing or grinding noise when you brake, it could be a sign that your brake pads are worn down. Worn-out pads mean your car's braking distance increases, and if they're not replaced, the brake rotors could be damaged, costing you even more money. Brake pads typically need to be replaced every 30,000 to 70,000 miles, but you should have them checked regularly, especially if you hear those warning sounds. Don't put off brake maintenance. Your safety and the performance of your car depend on it. Here's a common mistake: not replacing your air filter. The air filter keeps dirt and debris out of your engine, and if it gets clogged, it reduces airflow, which affects engine performance, fuel efficiency, and could cause your car to run rough or stall. Changing your air filter is simple and cheap, usually needing to be replaced every 12,000 to 15,000 miles. If you notice your car has a drop in power or is idling rough, the air filter could be the culprit. Keep your engine running smoothly by keeping that air filter clean. It's an easy fix that prevents bigger issues later. Using the wrong fuel type is a mistake you don't want to make. If your car requires premium fuel, don't put regular gas in. It might be a few cents cheaper, but over time it can damage your engine and cause poor performance. Always check the fuel type your car requires in the manual. If you own a car that needs premium gas, don't risk using regular. It's not worth the long-term damage. Another mistake is neglecting your car's battery. Dirty battery terminals, corrosion, or low charge can cause your car to struggle to start or leave you stranded. Check the battery every few months and clean the terminals if necessary. If the battery is more than 5 years old, it might be time to replace it. Regular battery checks can prevent you from being stranded with a dead car, so take care of that power source. Skipping fluid changes can have a devastating effect on your car. Transmission fluid, coolant, brake fluid, and power steering fluid are all essential for the proper functioning of your vehicle. Each fluid has a recommended change interval. If you're unsure, check your car's manual, but generally every 30,000 to 60,000 miles is a good guideline for changing fluids. Keeping your car's fluids topped off and clean will improve its performance and longevity. Another important system is the cooling system. Neglecting the radiator or coolant levels can lead to your car overheating, and we all know what that means: expensive repairs. Make sure to check coolant levels regularly and replace it according to the manufacturer's recommendations. If your car starts running hotter than usual, get the cooling system checked right away. Last but not least, not listening to your car. If you notice strange sounds, vibrations, or warning lights, don't ignore them. Your car is trying to tell you something is wrong. Pay attention to the little signs and take action before small issues turn into big problems. There you have it. The top 10 car owner. Mistakes you need to avoid to save money and keep your car running like new. By staying on top of these common maintenance tasks and avoiding these mistakes, you'll protect your car from unnecessary damage and keep it in great shape for years. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on maintaining and caring for your vehicle. Got any other car maintenance tips or mistakes to share? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.